let's do some hexing. Well guys, I'm back at Alton Towers. This time, as you can see, I'm on my own. There's no Hev, it's not quite right, it doesn't feel the same. But I'm here today for the HEX behind the scenes VIP experience. So we have been invited down. There's only one obviously could make it for this one, the guys, and with Hev doing the Nemesis one, I'm here today. You've got me. Good luck. Hopefully this will be all right. But no, we're going to have fun. We're going to go behind the scenes of HEX, see how things work, get some really exclusive things, and we are joined by a big friend of the channel here today, guys, so that's going to be good fun. But without further ado, what we're going to do, head across to HEX. Well guys, we're at HEX and we've got friends. There's Ben and Holly, there's Iconic Geek. Yeah. I can remember, guys. But we're going on HEX now. We've got our fast track, so let's give it a go. HEX. Wow, we skipped a massive queue there, but we're in HEX. We're going to do our hexing. We miss you, Hev, by the way. We love you. Well, rider HEX done. I'm coming out the Gardens way again now. It's quite nice to see. Quite refreshing and fitting for the ride. But no, it was a fantastic ride actually. Quite spinny. I love the new effects. I know a lot of people aren't a massive fan, but it gives me good Disney vibes. Well done, Towers. Well guys, we've had a lovely ride at HEX there, to be honest, and yeah, as I said earlier, it's a fantastic ride, to be honest. It gives me real good Disney vibes, but as you can probably tell, I am missing my better half, my better bear Hevs. But we're just hanging around here now, a little bit of waiting around. They usually come out around 45 minutes for the VIP experience after the end of park close. That was harder word to say. But we hang around here and they'll come out for us and we'll check in and things. And then we bring you along behind the scenes. We're going in the drum. I think it's the operator's booth. And there's a few other little bits we get to see as well, to be honest. It's going to be really exciting. I don't know how a madhouse works. I've never looked into it. Me and Hev have really talked about this. So it's going to be an interesting one. We'll bring you along. Well, we're starting. We've been given a little handout sheet. We're about to go in already. Yeah, I'm quite excited for this. Looks like it's going to be a good event. I will say this is very strange walking through here with it all lit up and things. Very peculiar. But no, it's really good. It's usually all dark. Oh, it's all lit up. It's crazy. So we just found out that these windows just there, that's the same company redid them in 1999, so that's pretty cool. The ones that first did them in the 1800s. There you go, you can see it was done by William Warrington in 1841 and Hardman of Birmingham in 1999. Cracking job, guys. Had a bit of a chat about the operating kind of batching area there. Apparently there's a bit of an Easter egg, so M. Guest is dotted around the attraction. He was apparently one of the people who worked on a lot of the things for HEX, which is pretty cool. So for my magic making, it's really quite good actually. It's really informative. Probably should have said, spoiler alert guys, you're probably going to get some information that is spoilers, but yeah, we won't give everything away, but it's good fun. I'm having fun. It's a bit of a crazy thing though, look at this, guys. Crazy. It's strange it all being like lit up, but it's really nice. The staff are absolutely brilliant. Loads of informative information. Yeah. we're in there. Look at this, you don't get to film in here very often. It's crazy. So this is like the third bit of the pre-show, where you get told about just what happens next. We've got the generator just over there. All in the storage. So we've just been shown the Octagon pre-show. It's pretty scary, you know, actually, when there's only a handful of people in here compared to it being quite full. But no, it's really surreal seeing all the behind the scenes and inside. Well, we aren't even behind the scenes yet. This is just what you see in the pre-shows. But one thing is, they have been showing the pre-shows. I haven't mentioned it so far. So you kind of get a real understanding of what it's like in the day. Obviously, we went on it earlier with the fast track. But then you get to see the differences because the lights just come on straight away after. And it's so surreal, literally seeing it in a new light. Section, get into the bolts in a minute. It's crazy, this is guys. Just looking at all the level of theme and having the time to look at the detail, what they put into it. Going through to the bolts. We're going in to the cabin inside there. No filming or pictures inside here, so we'll catch up outside. This is very good. We're into the drum. This is crazy. Look at this. This is how HEX works. This is crazy, man, isn't it? There we are, guys. HEX's drum. We can kind of see this. That's how it must spin around and things. They did just kind of explain it a bit more, but I still don't understand this. It's the magic, isn't it? But no, it's really good. Yeah. There is a lot of things behind this to see. I didn't know as much went into this kind of. Ooh. The drum, it's 6 sides big, so you can see. And then they got like the speakers and things, all the wires just go through there. It goes 15 degrees either side, like that. Well, that might be the contour actually. There's a lot of facts on this tool, guys. But yeah, you can see. There's literally just a plug socket like there somewhere. You see? There we go. Literally just there. Just a plug. It's so strange how it's just like that. Well, it's mad. It's massive. Big cardboard box HEX. Oh, guys, we are in the vault. Look at this. Something you cannot see. Well, you can see it every day with an annual pass, actually. We cannot film in here because we're not meant to film in here. But wow, they give us access. Look at this. There's been a lot of talk about the lighting packages on this tool, to be honest, but you know what? I think it's fantastic. I love all the lights in this. The tree, when it's all glow up. The mirror ball, as people call it. But I just think it's more of like a feather effect. I actually really like it, to be honest. But wow, HEX, we're inside the vault. It's been a really informative talk, actually. So we've just been looking at the drum, showed you a little bit about that. It's not an actual drum, you can't play music on it. Did find that out. But it's more of a hexagon shape, hexagon shape, and that's what's outside of this. So this is quite massive, actually. And as you see, we saw the drum, and that must go around this somehow. I don't know how it works. I'm still not going to know how it works, and we've just been told. But wow, HEX, really enjoying it so far. Show you something there. We'll show you a little bit in the vault. guys, but I think we're coming to the end. The oaks there, we put the lighting effects on and everything. We basically ran the ride without it going wrong. It's the best they could do, with it all being locked off nice and safe. But wow, really good. Got our little certificates, I'll show you outside, but look at this, guys. You don't get to do this every often, do you? We do miss you though, Hev. I wish you were here. But we're 1-1 now. Who's going to take the next one? It's been really good. Thank you again to everyone at Alton Towers for organising it. Team have been absolutely fantastic. Every question's been answered. They know everything about the HEX. They knew it all. Wow. Well done. Looks like we're done, guys. I think I'm officially one of the last people out of the vault, but I've got my certificates. Thank you to all the team, you've done amazing. Whoop, whoop. Right, we're done, got my certificates. That was really good actually. They told us loads of different things. It was full of information. Every room are kind of different. It was like how if you've ever been on HEX, spoiler alert guys, but you go through various pre-shows. So we kind of got briefed on the kind of each part of the show and why things were in each room and stuff. And yeah, it was absolutely brilliant. There was no drums, as we said. It was an actual spinny drum. It's a hexagon, which is really interesting. Well, I'll give us a bit of a wrap up as we get out the park here. We're just being walked out, but we've got the express parking, so we haven't got to go all the way back to the hotel, which is nice. So, see you in a sec. Well, it's come to an end. My hexing is complete. But you know what? It was absolutely fantastic. And we were just speaking to some of the staff there on the way out. There's a little bit of an Easter egg. So when you get through one of the pre-shows, just before the batching room, in the armoury, if you listen to the audio and the whistling, there's miners whistling the Alton Towers theme tune. So that's a really nice little, because they're working away with the miners and things. That's quite really interesting. So you're never going to hear that, to be honest, unless you notice it's there. But we've had well, I say we, it's me. I'm here and there's no Hev here today, is there? So we've had a brilliant day though. It has been fantastic, I must say. It's been well worth it. Obviously, Alton Towers have gifted this. So thank you to everyone at Alton Towers for providing this opportunity. But no, it's been honestly brilliant. You get so much information. It's like the whole ride's been broken down into the various sections and you get as much time as you want, guys. It's been about 2 hours nearly, and it's been full of information, letting us take pictures, letting us do like kind of what we want, ask what we want, see what we want. It's just been a really interesting experience, and it's something I wasn't sure how it was going to go with HEX, because we've done the lift hill walks and you kind of know what to do with that. You go up the walk and come back down. But this is something a bit different, and you know what, Towers, you smashed it. So well done. I've got my badge. There's a little closer look at the pin badge there, guys. But yeah, thank you to everyone involved at Alton Towers. Well done to everyone on the team. It's been amazing. If you like this one, guys, leave a like, subscribe. See you soon. Whoop, whoop. Daylight, can't see anything.